The setup for this exercise is you're using the wall for support with your top leg, and you're using the ground for support with your bottom leg. You're going to kind of sit a little bit on the side of the ball so that when you lie down, the center of your body around the lower rib cage is around the center of the ball. That gives you lots of range of motion to get through full stretch and contraction through your obliques, your side abs. So exhale up, inhale down, and do as much focus as you can into your obliques. Get a deep burn.